Going on YouTube? I got a small leftover fireworks stash. It's gonna be a crappy video. I'm doing it on my phone. Just wanted to show you what I had left over. I got these 25 shot rising silver flower in spring. These are really nice. It's a nice TK report. Got 3 of those left. Got 3 packs of Thunder Kings. Got 3 rockets. Another pack here. Here's some more Thunder Kings. I think. Yep. See if I can get close up. Focus, come on. There we go. Thunder King single shot with plain label, 18mm. Alright, let's see what else we got. I got some of these solar powers. This is probably my favorite 16-shot cake, hands down. I mean, there's a lot of these red wrap 16 shots that are nice, but I'm gonna tell you right now, this one kicks. I mean, this is a really nice one. The color breaks and, you know, the TK breaks are insane. Got 3 of them. Alright. So what's in here? A couple random shells, I guess. What are these here? 2-inch Blue Thunders. No, this is a really nice shell. I got some of these Hong Kong Harrys. Had a whole couple boxes of them. They were kind of cool. To be honest with you, I don't even like using the tube with these. Just use it like a firecracker. Anybody had these Warhead artillery shells, man, these are badass. I got 2 boxes left of those. I'm only going to bring one out. See, what's cool about these is most little shell kits that come with 6 or 12 shells, they don't come with a fiberglass tube. These come with a nice fiberglass tube. Wooden base. Usually come with like a cardboard tube. And then there's the shells. Wrapped real nice. Six of them. Alright, this is leftover stash part 1. I'm going to end it there, put all this up, and then I'll start leftover stash part 2 later. YouTube Pyro Nation.